Ah! Good gracious.
I don't even know if I want to get into this one.
Well, I'm gonna just peek from here and see if you fall. If you fall, I'm not gonna follow you.
Okay, one.
There's somebody sitting in the bed.
On. 1, 2, 3.
Oh no!
Oh, what the? It's a hole in the roof?
What?
I don't trust this.
Oh no! Look at the steps.
They melted.
Oh no!
Yeah, I don't even want to.
They gonna have to. Is this poop?
It looks like a lot of it.
I don't think it's poop.
It is poop.
It's foam.
I told you it's not poop. Go.
So you got some stuff over here? Oh. It's walkable.
I know.
Don't be so scary all the time.
Ooh,
Dang.
nice.
Somebody gotta be brave in this relationship.
Girl, please.
That's nasty. That's nasty. This is too much money.
Yeah, I'm straight.
Look
55,000.
at there. 55,000.
It's too much.
Oh hell no! This has got way too much work. For
I wouldn't
55,000.
pay. I wouldn't pay no more than 5.
All right.
But hold on, where's the house is huge, but it's pretty small in here.
It's upstairs, but we can't go upstairs. And it's a basement.
I definitely want to do.
I ain't going down there.
Let me see. I'll go down there.
Is something gonna jump out on my slides?
Oh yeah, you got on slides.
Is it steps?
Nah, they broke.
Mm-mm. No, I can't pick you up if you fall, so come on down. You can't be falling through the store like Lonnie did. Oh,
That's a nice armoire though.
it's actually got plants growing.
I see.
That's nasty. Come on for something fall on my head, Paul.
All right.
They shouldn't have let it sit this long. Like, what are y'all doing?
Yeah, it's crazy. Hold on. Wow. What? Look at the steps. This is crazy.
It is. It's insane.
Look at the backyard.
You want to go down and jump in your arms?
Yeah. See, it look huge from
It
out here.
does. It probably is, though.
Like, where's all the space at?
It's fair. I'm on the backyard with you.
Yeah, they ain't gonna never sell this.
Not for that price, no.
They ain't gonna sell it.
That's a nice ass backyard.
Oh, nice.
I said nice size.
Like
Nice
this.
size.
You say so.
But they don't have to give it away. Like, they gotta go into it.
And then it's right against this junkyard business or whatever. Alright. This was a waste of time. I'm good. In the suburbs though. This house itself was about 175, 200. This house gonna need about 100 grand. 100 grand to fix up.